Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Seaboys, and welcome back to Donkey Kong Bananza. Last time, as always, we explored through the new layer, doing mostly main stuff. As you can see right here in the Tempest layer, it's a pretty cool place, I love the look. And yeah, we recovered the Elder's Disc. We got a new power, that being Elephant. And we can now make our way through the rest of this place. And no, not because we can suck up water and shoot it out, no. Instead, we can literally inhale, like, I think, well, I don't know how much, but we can inhale a lot of things. We like Kirby now. Let's go. And yeah, with that said, here we go! Woo! Oh. Oh, I'm so sorry. I was trying. I'm sorry. Oh. Can I get the thing? Oh, I can also do... Yeah, I can spit out orbs. Oh, I did get it. Nice. Oh, but yeah, that's really cool. I like that. As always, too, the design is really cool. And, almost forgot, elephant skills. Ooh. Why would you just store up 10 chunks? Better inhaling, increase the range. Stronger lungs. And the quick storage allows you to store chunks of terrain more quickly while you inhale. Yeah, we could do that. That can be pretty handy, especially if we can continue to stop stuff being thrown at us. DK and Pauline. Right, let's continue. Let's get out of here. Oh yeah, we also got some info of the Banandium. Oh, what's it called? I'm trying to remember. I don't know, just something about the planet core and how there's like a Banandium thing. Oh yeah, Banandium roots, that's what it is. Something to do with how the planet core is and how it's, you know, how it is the way it is. Anywho, let's go! Oh my...
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm okay. Let's just take a breather. Oh, this is satisfying. Oh, yes. And now back to the bacon. Yeet. Boop. Hey, guys. Oh. Oh. I don't think I could make them take their clothes off. That's bad out of context. Dear me, I apologise for being startled, but I was quite shocked just now. Some sort of terrifying bat swoops in here. You saw it too, right? I watched it open its maw wide and spit out a peculiar looking steak. Ah, there's a key. It's alright, we got this. What's up? Yes, please. And another cozy getaway.
okay?
Hmm?
It's way too hot. It's actually raining fire out there.
Woody.
I wish it was another cold rain shower instead. That would feel so nice right now. Good night.
I don't know how you're surviving this without any food and water. She must be starving and
This is gonna be a great day.
must be
I just
absolutely
know it.
dehydrating. Right. We got some cleaning to do. Woo! Oh. Give me all the energy. I know. Ah, sugar, wow. Make way. There you go. Right, we got what we need.
Take a breather.
Ooh. I'm okay. This is fine.
Cool.
Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Jeez. Dang it. Need more bananas. Okay, I just got back. Oh, I just got some more. Hey, can I? Yeah, I need those. Sure. Let's do the challenge. Oh boy, that's a lot. Get those. No. No, I didn't. How am I still getting the purpose? Help! Help! What? Are you serious? Oh, are you? Help! Jeez. Oh. Good grief, I just bought that. Hang on a minute. Yeah, I thought there was something up there. That's one way. Oh, just a bonus. Alright. Oh, this is good. Keep it up, Pauline. Way out, but where are the other bananas? There should be one here. Right. Yay. Okay. Good. I was just about to think about sliding over the lava, but that's not going to work. Lava does way too much damage. Ooh, there's a whole tunnel in here. Whoa.
Let's go.
Have you seen these ones before? No, I think we have. Yeah, bonus stage. Okay. Let's go. Give me all the gold. The gold. Lolly. Gold for days. Sweet. And yeah, with that, we'll just go down. That's a tiny hole. Alright. Here we go. Oh, we're just getting straight in, aren't we? Oh, look who's back. Too bad I got new powers. Oh, thank you for the gold. Very generous. Oh, no, it's hot. Okay, never mind. I take that back. Oh, come on. Oh, I didn't find another thing. I just realized. Oh, it's bad. Oh, no. Ooh. Ooh. Wait, oh, it's... Oh. I only now just realised. Oh, no. Wait. Give me... There you go. And get down. See? Not too bad. Let's go! Again? You barely have any health left. Oh my days. Let's find out. Cool. So now what? Could the blizzard bat just now have been Arbor with Buster Wing? Huh? Oh, that's a creature they talked about that we heard of. It rushed off in that direction at incredible speed. I'm so confused. Why was it singing? Why was the singing Buster Wing wearing that odd mask? The bird that controls all the weather in the underground world does so right in the singing of its heart. Oh, I see. It's a bird. was eating bananas. We usually eat fruit bananas to enjoy the pleasant weather. And avoid Kong and his gang have messed it up because, of course. Oh. Ah, how could they? Oh, hello. Ah. There you go. We afford clothing. Yeah, we can. Let's go. Man, that's a cool looking one. Alright. And yeah, I'll get another one of these. No room? Oh, I need to upgrade, I see. Okay, never mind. We should be fine. How much? Oh, 100. Oh. Well, at least I get one. At least I get one. We could do a bit more hot water. Oh, this is a jacuzzi. Oh. There's not much. Oh, that's what he meant. A bit more. He needs more water. Oh dear. We got money though. Oh boy.
Let's go.
Ooh, zipline valet. Wait, can we swap? I see. Yes, we can. Cool. Yay. Alright, let's go. Oh, I can break. Nice. Ah, there you go. I was about to say, it's a bit slow. Ooh. Oh, mamma mia. No. I wonder if there's a banana you get for getting down in a specific amount of time. There's only 2 bananas. Where's the... other one? At the beginning? Ah, sneaky. You sneaky. Alright, let's go. Oh, the hallway's outside. We'll cool off. Whoa. It's insane. What the earth? Jeez. Oh, hey, Wambi. Hey, Cranky. I was wondering where you were. Oh, look whose big hairy mug finally turned up. Hey, that's what I have to say. What's enough and wasn't good. I'd serve you well to hear this. Because you know why I'm down here, huh? I'll tell you. If a certain big shot was derelict of duty. When I heard there was a banana band on the loose, I knew who to blame. My job wasn't done there, no sir. Seemed so cold with the bunch. Folk in the mines. Get what I'm saying? Isn't he just saying the exact same thing he said before? Yeah, I'm pretty sure he is. I got something for you. That's what I needed. Take that. And sure, why not? No, it's recommending me to do this. Okay. Hey, Wambi. Let's see you again. Take care. It's been more breezy, but we're taking it easy. That's good. That is far. Oh, what the heck? Another home. Oh my goodness, there's so much. We have been told a massive bird in the way that controls the weather. The incredibly massive elephants here live alongside the bird, observing the weather and conducting experiments. We had some trainee forecasts predict the weather for us. The verdict was that the world ahead for us, as well as our destination, would see sunny skies. Interesting. Just to point out, look at this. What is that?
You found it back.
Shortcut. Oh, cool. Oh, hang on. Nice. He's getting some momentum.
A banana.
Mm-hmm. Oh, hey, there you go. Apparently, if you walk just the right moment and jump, you get good momentum. It's good to know. Alright, let's go and let's go beat this bat once and for all. But first, if I can afford it. Yeah, it's alright.
Time for a break.
Yay.
Hey, DK, are you awake? I snuck into the hot spring before this.
How?
It was so warm. I'm all cozy now. You should try it.
Alright.
Got some goodsies.
Oh. Let's do this. With these across the web platform, and there's a fantastic way to do so. Okay. Nice.
Oopsie.
Wait, I just realised how... Oh, actually going over there. Oh, wow. Oh, jeez, that's so what? I didn't even realise how much bigger this would be. 1, 2, 3. So many active tornadoes and lightning strikes too. This might be the stormiest storm in all of the meteorologic history. Stranger still, the Buzzwing had a sinister mask and they headed toward our research outpost, Stormy Station. I see. That's quite the view. Alright, let's go. Nope, wait. There you go. We're swing through to Stormy Station, Peru. Let's go. Let's see, banana. Ah, oh, dang it. Of course.
Here's a banana.
Just got it. Right. Watch out for light. Oh goodness, no. Facts of weather forecasting. When lightning strikes, it can cause significant damage, especially in open areas. If you're watching the weather and a lightning strike is imminent, grab and hold a chunk. Okay. Standing in water would be iron. Yep. I get it. I need to really upgrade DK's what do you call it? His how I can break through things. Oh, no. We need this health. Hmm?
Did you feel that rumbling? Thunder down here is intense. Wait, was that your stomach? Yeesh, don't scare me like that. Ah! Again! Yeah, are you sure you don't have a storm cloud in your belly? It really sounded like thunder that time.
No, I can't mean that bad.
Just what we...
Right, moving on. Uh-oh. Here we go. No, 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 please. Every time. Oh. Come on, keep going. Let's go. Safe from the shelter. It's over here. Another one. Good. Nice. It's ended up of the roof. And that's the truth. Oh, no, no. There's a flattened one. Dawson can is a watering can't. What? Oh, hang on, we got this. Elephant again. Here we go. Oh, I see. Ooh. There you go. Cool. Sure was. Now let's get going.
Oh, wow!
What? Oh, that was close. What? Oh, we still got quite a bit. Please no. Jeez. Alright, Ostrich, it's your time to shine. Again. Here we go. What's this? Shortcut? Yes, please do. Thank you. Not great. How? Hey guys. Ooh. Oh no. Oh, I see. Right, don't mind me. Ooh. Nope. Get it. Get it, please. Okay. Take this big rock. Oh goodness. Oh, there's still so much. Oh my goodness. How much? Sure, why not? Do it while I'm here.
Let's do this!
Right. Oh, screw this. Ah, you little... Let's go.
Through that one!
Sure did. Don't we always breeze through all these?
What an adventure!
Right. Get rid of that. And
Focus.
nope. There you go. Nice. Right, jump up here please. Thank you. Here we go. Nope, see you later, bad. Oh no, nope, nope. Oh, get out the water please. Oh, that would not be nice. Uh-oh. We just had a big crash over at the Stormy Station. Our ears couldn't miss it. Oh my days. Let's see. Give me in, please. Give me shelter, please. Oh, I have no more money. Oh. Oh, why? Alright, please let me stay. Woo!
DK?
Hmm?
You're a sound sleeper, huh? Between the sound of the rain and the constant thunder, I feel like my ears are going to pop. Well, okay. There's more to it than that. The truth is, I'm a little scared. Would you mind if I sleep a little closer? Thanks, DK. Good night.
Adorable.
Bet you
Nice.
read about bananas, didn't you?
Oh, right.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Where's that? Oh, that fish. Okay. What does this do? Oh, that's a lot. Wait, where is it? Okay. Here we go. Nice. Man, from this side I can just use the ostrich! To fly. Don't come to me, please. Oh. Ooh! Oh no, 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 stop please. Oh no. On you again. Not yet. Ooh. Ooh, I am not a fan of those. And there's thunder. Wait. Don't look with it all. Is that banana I see? Sure is. Nice. Might as well go for every banana I see. Or as many as I can anyways. Nice big rock right here. Alright, let's go. Nice, very pretty. No, great. Stormy Station loot. Get over here. Oh, that's right, the rocks protect you from the thunder, duh. No. What do you want? Yes. Yeah. Right. Anything else? Oh, I see what to do. No. Let's see. There you go. Sneaky. Oh, sugar. Wait, how do I... Because I need to walk. How do I... Unless I just... Unless I do this. No. I just... No. Oh wait. No, because then that's... Do I just put it down? No, stay. Good. Now... Wait, what's holding this down? Wait. Oh no, is it stuck? Wait. Wait, is it stuck? Did I not put it at the front? Oh no. Don't do this to me. What's that say? The words held in the Vedtron's open sky just a sinkhole, what then synergy has changed constantly since our arrival. The skies were completely clear. Screw it, let's use the ostrich. Got some good height. Let's go. But how do I get back? Oh, just climb, okay. Wait, no, how? Oh, come on. How do I... Oh, why? I mean, that's good, but how do I... Oh. I forgot. Yeah. Anyways. Well, that's done. No. Give me up back, give me up back, give me up back. Oh, no! Give me up back, give me up back, give me up back, give me up back, give me up back. Woo! Use a chunk from the trunk to lift off. Oh, I get it. Could you not? Jeez. Alright, got plenty now. There you go. That's a cool idea. What's up? The water's being torn right through the dome of the stormy station. What under... Oh, I get it. What under earth happened to it, and why was it wearing the mask? Guess we'll find out. Also, my apologies. If you can hear Wayne in the background, it's because it is throwing it down right now. So, my apologies about that.
This is it, DK. You can do this.
It's hoping. The thing had like, what, a tiny weeny bit of health left? Facts for the forecasting storage station elevates. Was built by Penn cutting edge elfin tech. Modern Marvel engineering was some of our greatest forecasting discoveries. Oh, so. Sneaky fossil. Right. Another stormy tunnel to get through. Oh, this is lovely. Lots of books. Makes sense though, elephants are actually really intelligent. Ooh. I'm gonna take that, even though I can't get any more health. Is there anything I can get? No, I need 4 for that. Oh, better inhaling, yes. Then what does this do? Allows you to store. Okay, I think it should be fine. Let's go! Leaving it now, there we go. We meet again. Again. Yep, third time's the charm. Ooh! So... Oh wait, I still have... Oh, now it's not gonna work. So, how do we... Uh-oh. Can't reach.
Look, there are chunks of magma in the wind.
Wait, what? Oh, I get it. Nice. Okay, so we do that. There you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, is that not the bird monster? What? Just a mask? Alright, come on. Stop me! Oh my, this is so cool. Oh, it is a bird. Hello. And yeah, you're done for. Time to the next layer. Yay! Ooh. Can we ghosty the bird thing at all? Is that possible? Oh, hang on. Hello? The hole made the buster wing actually makes the station look sort of cool, don't you agree? Yeah, we'll keep it like this. Oh, okay. Where did he... Where'd the bird go? I want to see the cute bird. Oh well. Anywho, we have finished another layer, and therefore we shall end it for today. This was a pretty cool one. I liked the underground slash stormy skies. Like, look at this. That's so cool. This was a bit longer than I expected it to be as well. I was not expecting there to be another boss where you had to chase it and slowly catch it. It's kind of interesting how they do that. I mean, I know majority of bosses so far have been, you know, you just chase it down in one area and that's it. But yeah, interesting how they're doing that. I'm also surprised to see there's no sign of like a split pathway, so we could either go here or go to another place where we could get another power up. I guess at this point we're just gonna get the final power up in the next area fight, I guess. But hey, we'll see. Till then though, thank you all so much for watching. As always, hope you enjoyed. Bye bye!